PLUGHITZ Live Unboxed. Today, we're going to take a look at a product from our friends at Energizer Connect. This is a security camera that is designed to plug into a light socket. It has actually got an ambient light built into it, so you don't actually have to sacrifice your light in order to have the camera. This can be used indoor or outdoor. It's got a offset if you need it, so that you can set it past a shade or a sconce, things like that. But let's take a look at how this guy works and what it comes with. So, like all the Energizer cameras, this works with the Energizer Connect app. All of your controls and playback happen through there to make it easy. This connects to Wi Fi. It connects to both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi Fi, so you do not have to have a 2.4 gigahertz network set up necessarily to be able to use this, which is a nice step forward for those of us who have more modern networks and don't want to have to turn on the older network. So first things out, we have our customer card. This tells you if you've purchased it and there's a problem, call this number or go to this website. Also, if you want to do recording, there's a 30-day free trial of the cloud recording, but you can also stick a micro SD card straight into it. Next up, we have a small box on top here. In it, we have the standoff that I was talking about. This screws into the light socket, and then the camera screws in here so that you get a little bit of extra length so that you can stand it off past a shade, a sconce, that type of thing. Next up, we have, we'll deal with this in a moment, we have our quick start guide. In our quick start guide, like all of the Gem Global quick start guides, we have all the information you could ever want to know about how to get started, from downloading the app, pairing the camera, reviewing the footage, being able to connect to the cloud. All of that stuff is here in your quick start guide. We'll see some of that in action in just a little bit. And then we have the camera itself. Now, the thing that's cool about this camera is you can see it's got at least some PTZ capabilities built in. Actually, full PTZ. Maybe not zoom, but certainly pan and tilt. Almost certainly zoom too, though. You can have it pan left and right. You can have it tilt up and down. You can zoom in and out on the video. Here we have our light socket. So this screws into either an outdoor sconce, an indoor sconce, even a lamp in the house, if that's how you want to go. And then it can screw into this, which again is just an offset if you need it to be taller. Today, we don't need it to be taller. What we do need is the ability to plug this guy in and test it. So let's do that. We're going to start here by plugging the camera into our light fixture. And grab the phone. We're going to go into the Energizer app. From the home screen of the Energizer app, what you will do is you will hit the plus sign in the top right corner. That will bring up a menu. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to say Add Device. You'll have the ability to go through the automated process or the manual process. We are going to go through the manual process only in case you end up in a situation, you can hear that it's in pairing mode, only in case you end up in a situation where yours doesn't go automatically into pairing mode. So what we'll do is we'll click on Camera's Doorbell. It's going to give us a video on how this works. You might need to show a QR code to the camera. You might not. On the next screen, it will ask you to connect to your Wi Fi. If you've connected before and asked it to save, it will stay in there. If you haven't, it will ask you to put in your information. We're going to hit Next. On the next screen, it will show the QR code, but we don't need it. You can hear that it's just made noise. It is actually in the pairing process right now. Most of the time, you don't actually need that QR code. I have actually never needed it in pairing one of their cameras. once the pairing process is complete, you'll have the ability to say what it is, where it is, things like that. This, like I said, can be used inside, outside, kind of wherever you want, which is kind of cool. It is outdoor rated. All right, once you've got it paired, you have full control over the device. You have the ability to control the light, control the camera, pan, tilt, zoom, all of that. Set up the recording and that. You have playback, all the things that you have on the camera, plus all the things you have on the light, all come in one UI, which is really nice. Now, obviously, we have not used this. You just saw us unbox it. We will be doing a full product review over the coming weeks, which you'll be able to see at PLUGHITZlive.com/reviews. And then it'll be in the description once it's published. The link will be there as well. If you want to see other reviews, you can see them there. If you want to see other unboxed or how-to episodes, you can go to PLUGHITZlive.com/unboxed or PLUGHITZlive.com/how-to. And until next time, ciao.